Mopar fans, here you go. 1972 Dodge Challenger Rallye. This is a 340 four-barrel car. It is also an original numbers matching engine underneath the hood there. As you can see, color-wise, top banana yellow. That would have been the original color of this car also, with black vinyl interior. So, very original car yet. Obviously has been repainted, restoration, nice quality job on this one. Also a highly equipped car. Factory AC and heat car. Has had an upgraded AC compressor installed on it. According to the previous owner, AC is working. As you can see, it has had the black RT stripes added. Riding on the Rallye style wheels, I guess, if you will. Beauty rings, nice looking rims on this car. BF Goodrich radials. Black vinyl top. Nice looking car. I'd call the paint, I'd call it at the upper end of a driver quality paint. As you can see, nice shape, not full of chips, dings, nicks, scratches. Nice luster to it. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, check out the interior, check out that engine bay. There's also pictures of the stamping as far as the VIN derivative on the engine. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com, or down below this video in the description, you're going to see a link. You can click on that. That'll take you right there. Feel free to call us too. We do have some paperwork on this car if you'd like to discuss it. That's also in the pictures. The number you can reach us at, 507-386-1726. That 340 is paired with a Top Flight 727 correct transmission, pistol grip shifter. So front bucket seats, of course, then. Center console. Interior, also nice shape in this car. When we get around to the driver's side, we'll pop the door open and fire this up so you can check it out. As you can see, vinyl top, also in nice shape. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can sure assist you with getting this car transported to where you're located at. Car drives out well. 323 rear gears. See the bright work also nice on the back of this. Has the adjustable wing back here. Get a look at that. Again, feel free to call us, 507-386-1726. And of course, check out those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com, or down below in the description of this video. Click on that link. That's going to take you right there. Take a look up and down the side of this car too. You can see how straight it is. Again, you can see the condition of the paint. Nice the doors fit. Tell it was a quality restoration. Got the chrome racing mirror. It looks like it was added on the side there. It's a nice looking car overall. Nice E-body Chrysler here. Great color combo. Does have front disc brakes by the way, rear drum. So you know about that. Check out the interior. The dash is not all cracked. Door panels also in nice shape. Carpeting, seats. Also in good shape. Headliner looking good. You can see the dome light even works there. Radio does work. Had some 6x9s added in the rear. Let's go ahead and start this up so you can hear this baby run. One thing I want to show you too, did have oil gauge, pressure, and water temp down there added. Otherwise, it appears the fuel gauge works. Tachometer works. Odometer shows 87,000. Cannot confirm or deny that is original because it doesn't stay with the title once they get to be a certain age. Check out the pistol grip shifter if you can see that. Car idles nice, sounds great. Slip around to the back so you can hear that. Also, check out how nicely that door closes. Passenger door was the same way. That's that nice little rumble coming out of that 340. Nice sounding Mopar. I'm going to slip around to the front up here and let's pop this hood. Check out the engine bay and see how it looks underneath there. Alright, check out underneath this hood. Just as nice as the rest of the car. There's that numbers matching 340. Also, as you can see, power brakes, power steering down there. Nice and tidy. There's your updated compressor. You can see AC has also been updated. Newer Freon. Here's you got a new wiper motor over there. This did come with the 3-speed wipers according to the data tag. Wipers do work. We have that working also. Headers on it. One thing I also noticed was original radiator support here with the VIN stamp. You probably can't really make it out in the video, but I'll see if I can get a picture of that, make sure that's in the listing too. But the VIN stamp and the radiator support, original to this car. Sure, there's a few things I'm missing, so go ahead, check out the description on this car. That'd be on our website, where you can check it out with the still pictures. Once again, uniqueclassiccars.com, or click down below on the link in the description of this video that's going to take you there. The number we can be reached at, 507-386-1726. Of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Be happy to assist you getting this Mopar to where you're located at. Nice 1972 Top Banana Challenger Rallye 340 car. Give us a call.